Hello guys, welcome back to System.io tutorial for beginners part 8. Now, in the previous video, I discussed about the major problem we as an affiliate marketer or an online business owner face if you're using System.io for pure email marketing purpose. Now, you might be thinking, what is the solution for this? So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about the solution. Now, before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below so that you get top quality information of different tutorials and also training videos on how to build an affiliate marketing business online. So to overcome the restrictions in System.io for pure email marketing purpose, I'm going to share with you how to connect or integrate System.io only using their funnel building feature with your third-party tracking software, which is Dojo, to collect your buyer's email list, and also with an external autoresponder, which is either Aweber or Getresponse. Now, I have mentioned so many times about the email autoresponder that needs to be used if you're a pure affiliate marketer or an online business owner. There aren't many email autoresponders that are affiliate marketing friendly, and the one I would recommend is either Aweber or Getresponse. And you can always sign up for these email autoresponders by clicking on the link in the description box below. But the one I would suggest you to go for is Aweber, which is having great deliverability compared to Getresponse. Now, if you refer to the screen, you have this third-party software called Zapier, which is commonly used to integrate two different softwares. So in this case, if you scroll down, you can see this pricing plans over here where you have free plan, which allows 100 tasks per month. Now, what do you mean by 100 tasks per month? Now, if you have 100 leads coming into your funnel building software, which is System.io, and in turn from System.io, it goes through Zapier into your email autoresponder, which is a third-party email autoresponder, either Aweber or Getresponse, then only 100 tasks is allowed per month, which is free of cost. Now, if you have more leads coming in, then you have to move on to your next plan, which is professional, and this starts from $30 per month. So based on the task you're going to do, the cost is going to increase. So you can just scroll down and you can check it, where if you have 2000 tasks per month, it will cost you around $73.5 per month. And also you have the team plan and also the enterprise plan, which won't be required. Now, if you don't want to spend your money on your funnel building software like Leadpages, which is the most commonly used for email marketing and business owners, then you can always go for the System.io funnel building software, which is free. And from there, you can connect it with your email autoresponder, which is either Aweber or Getresponse through Zapier. And you also need to subscribe to Zapier. And from there, you can have this third-party tracking tool, which is called Dojo, which will track the leads that are coming in your Aweber or Getresponse account. And from there, you can build your buyers list. Now, if you feel that all these different subscriptions can create hassle and create a lot of confusion, then I would always recommend you to go for Leadpages, which is the common funnel building software. It integrates seamlessly with your third-party email autoresponder, either Aweber or Getresponse. So you can always try out these softwares, and you can always check the links in the description box below to get your funnel building or email autoresponder softwares. So with that, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.